This single-owner, well-maintained villa sits on a full daylight basement in the highly sought-after Bridgewater Golf Community. Welcoming you into the home, the spacious living room is bright and cheerful, flooding the space with natural light. The high ceilings open up the room, while the fireplace brings a cozy touch of comfort while you lounge on the couch. The den is decorated with a beautiful coffered ceiling and is ready to become your own office for the days you work from home. The kitchen is immaculate with white Grabill cabinetry, an island, built-in desk, and dining nook. On special occasions or when you're hosting guests, share a meal in the stunning formal dining room that boasts a tray ceiling, chandelier, and a wall of large windows. Picture enjoying your Christmas dinner in the warmth of your new home as the snow flurries fall right outside the window. The master suite is located on the main floor and provides a spacious retreat to relax and unwind. The ensuite bath features separate vanities, a jetted garden tub, and a stand-up shower. The other bedroom is also quite spacious. Entertaining will be a breeze in the large basement that's complete with a family room, full bath, large extra room, rec area, wet bar, and tons of storage. Enjoy the outdoors before winter in the 18 by 11 screened-in porch. For the handy person, there's a workshop off of the garage that's both heated and cooled. Across the street is the Clubhouse, community pool, tennis court, and hole number 1 of the golf course. This amazing, well-cared-for home has much to offer. Don't wait, call Emily Ganshorn and see it today.